The honest of your life.
Achieve your goals with these time management tips. One of the most useful skills that you can develop in your life is effective and powerful time management skills. If you're not able to manage your time well, there is no way you are going to reach your goals in life. The truth of the matter is that time is the great equalizer of life. It doesn't matter who you are or what you do, you have the same amount of time as the next person. If you're serious about accomplishing your goals, you need to get serious about learning to manage your time. Here are several tips to help you manage your time so you can achieve your goals. Set your goals the right way. You probably didn't know that there are a right way and a wrong way to set goals. If you don't set your goals the right way, you'll end up lacking the proper targets, which will cause you to fall off track. However, when you set them the right way, you are better able to see things through and make sure that you have a compelling reason for wanting to achieve them. Find a good system for managing your time. If you want to be successful in managing your time, you have to find the right system to do it. The Quadrant Time Management System is one of the most effective, as it splits your activities into 4 quadrants based on their urgency and importance. Your tasks are either urgent, important, both, or neither. You want to focus on the not urgent but important quadrant while staying away from them, neither quadrant. Instill keystone habits into your life. Keystone habits are those that not only solicit other good habits but help you to eliminate bad habits too. Focus your time and energy on keystone habits, and you'll start to get much better at managing your time overall by making your habit development process much more manageable. Eliminate bad habits. Our bad habits are one of the biggest time wasters in our lives. Whether it's binge watching your favorite TV show,